Yeah. You gonna say hey? Say hey. Say hey. You ain't gonna say hey?
Hey! Video.
Come on. Come on.
I'm so happy. I don't know what to do with myself. Oh.
Don't say nothing crazy. We recording. Yeah, I'm about to do my hair. She wanna be in the camera. You gonna say hey?
Hey.
Okay, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to work on these curls.
You got the right ball?
Hey, I do
This the bottle I stole the other
my
night.
nails would be so cute. I should do like this. Yeah, so you do my nails. I have to do this. Now I got this. Something.
I need a better bra. It's crazy. And this needs some more water.
Yes,
This water cold.
So Marlon do some. So we had to come to Marlon.
I did the hair, y'all. I don't know. Oh, sorry. How I feeling about it? Cause oh, it's a mess right there. I don't know if it's cute or if it's just me like giving the ick. I think it's cute. Oh, I gotta take a picture. Yeah, but it's okay. I'm gonna see y'all. We gotta go to Walmart. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, y'all, so we got popcorn from them and we got 3D glasses. Let's open these.
Great.
Oh, Lord.
We've got to see the lights.
Oh my gosh, Becky. Okay. Ma, you want these 3D glasses?
Hell no. Shit, my better can see my regular eyes. No, baby, I'm good.
I like the glass.
Oh, it's dark. Gosh. And that radio is bright.
Okay.
Put your glasses on, Eunice. Oh, Lord, Becky.
I thought you were about to stop.
Oh, wow.
What?
Oh.
Ooh. gonna do intro. Anyways, y'all, I am in Tennessee now, so my camera is so crooked. Like, not too much. I didn't even know I could edit that while I'm recording. Okay, let me just hit okay. Anyways, so we're about to go on Dollar Tree. Y'all, I'm in Tennessee. My mama just officially got her little house. Not her little house. Mama got her big house. She doing her big 1, 2, and 3. We're about to go in Dollar Tree. I seen a Bit Lots right here, and she needs some new curtains. I'm about to show y'all the curtains when I get back to her new house. But we're about to go in Dollar Tree, and me and my dad, we're gonna move some stuff. Like, so we're gonna stay over there tonight. I already told her, look, we need to be staying in the new, okay? Get rid of the old, out with the old, and in with the new. Yeah, Bit Lots. She needs some new curtains for. She got some sliding doors to like her backyard, and we need some curtains covered up. Cause what do you mean? So I'm gonna go look in Bit Lots because she's been to Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx. I'm not sure what else, but she needs some new curtains. I gotta have a white bat because you know the bat has to match the blinds when you're in a HOA. Okay, hold on. So what I'm about to do is, y'all, I'm tired. We've been moving since like 9 this morning. It's 7:44. I'm about to clean this bathroom. We're gonna take a shower here tonight because the other bathroom needs a shower curtain. Yeah, and I'm not doing that yet. But I'm about to deep clean this bathroom. I'm about to clean it so I can have it set up and fold the towels up and stuff. So, yeah, keep in mind, this is a new build. Like, nobody's ever lived here. That literally not too long got done with it. I'm so done. Okay, let's go.
Hello. Hello. I got my puppet. Hi,
Y'all.
Mike.
Anyways, we about to put up a Christmas tree. And I'm putting this video. This is going to be Vlogmas week 2.
Yeah, you have so much fun.
You going to have so much fun?
Yeah.
I'm going to show y'all what we got real quick.
Yeah, I got a puppet.
Yeah, she got a poppy.
So, look, it's pushed and it pushed right here.
This tree, I think it's 6.5 or something like that.
And pop it.
Then, we got a lot of stuff. Here,
Huh?
folks this.
Huh? So we had this thing. We put it on the tree. So, yeah. So, I went to the tree. Okay.
Yeah, they seen it. Put it down. That's your mommy on the phone.
Look, she ain't got it out.
Hi, Mommy.
We got the tree skirt.
Hello.
And then we got this. It's something like a Candy Wonderland thing.
Yeah.
Recording on the vlog.
We also... You gonna talk to your mommy?
No. I need to do work.
Oh, she's talking about I need to do work.
Mommy, look. Look at Mama.
I'm not sure we're gonna use it. I think it's gonna make a mess.
Yeah, and we got snow.
Oh, okay.
And
I
it's
like-
real
okay.
snow. So I had to put on the Christmas tree.
And then we got
Okay.
some, like, we got
Yeah, be
4.
careful.
Yeah.
All right, love you. All right.
Anyways, like I said, we got the snow. We got the little filler pieces. This is a light blue
Red.
snow skirt. We thought it would go good with the color and the ornaments.
Yeah. And we had to get the Christmas tree a cute thing. So I had to get it. We had to open it up first. And we had to open it up first. And we had to get it. And we had to put it right here on the side.
Yeah, we're gonna put it right here. We cleared a spot for it. There was like a filler tree there. But yeah, we got 4 white and silver light up balls from Dollar Tree. We also got 2 silver bells. We got 2 snowflakes and 2 stars. I'm not bringing them over here. For one, they're glitter. I do not like glitter.
Yeah, and we changed back. We went back to Walmart and we got changed back.
Yeah, we went to Walmart. We went to Walmart 3 times. Dollar Tree. We went to Walmart 3 times.
Yeah, we did. So we went to the other Walmart, to the other Walmart, and to the different Walmart.
Oh.
We to the other Walmart too.
The first Walmart we went to, they didn't have the tree. So we said we ain't gonna get no ornaments till we get a tree. So the second Walmart had the trees, but the second Walmart didn't have the ornaments. So we had to go back to the other Walmart. And then we bought a star. They said $9. We got that dang $30.
Be quiet, Mara.
Oh.
We did something.
Oh.
I had a cupcake.
How you gonna say be quiet and ask for a cupcake? I don't know if she showed y'all these, but we also got these. These are just like other bulbs. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna speed this up. We're gonna put a movie on the TV, so it's gonna be like a montage.
Yeah, and we got the snow. We put the snow on the Christmas tree. We got 2.
It's 3. Lego.
What the wall? You know he get a 3. Do what, baby?
Give me the other piece too.
Here you go.
100 ornaments later.
I am too.
Tree.
Is that the mail?
We about to put these on there. You can't even see that it's got green on it or pink. It just look like blue and white.
So we had to put the Christmas tree. We had to put the Christmas tree and the rat over there.
I realized I could have showed y'all what these do. It's basically, it started like this. When you stretch it out, you know you can move it. We just go.
Why did the Grinch hate Christmas? Where did it all start? When her dad's glad a quarter, she wouldn't get it.
Next is this. I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, I know my finger. This is cute. Dollar Tree. We didn't put any batteries or anything. We just cut the tag on. I'm trying to find somewhere to put these. They're not gonna stay on, and they're not gonna be on when I show y'all, cause I'm tired. This is what we're looking at before the rug. Here is the. Let's straight for now at least. I get some more, add some more, a lot more stuff, but look. This is Christmas. Yeah. I'm sick of it. Oh my gosh, you so messy, ugly man. I hope they long enough. What is this?
I thought you come for your fans.
Right. She said for your fans. Your fans. I thought you said for your fans.
For my fans, I gotta get a
Oh, yeah.
I truly and honestly do not like the Grinch, and she knows that. So she does this little Christmas gift thing because I never know what to ask for. So yeah, that's all it is.
You got a robot.
Okay. Hey, turn up. What you get? Thank you. Y'all, I don't know if this is gonna be a clip or in a video, but we'll figure it out when we get to that point. I really hope y'all can't hear that music as clear as I'm thinking it is. I'm gonna be really upset, but y'all, your girl got the 17 Pro Max. Y'all, I'm coming from my little old purple, the deep purple 14 Pro. I haven't upgraded in so long. I'm so excited. And it's orange. If you know me, my favorite color is orange. So let's unbox This is gonna be that detailed what is it? What I'm looking for. I'm not that much into it, but I'm into it. Like, yeah. But we about to open this, and yeah, I gotta get the things up first. I'm left-handed, but you know, one. Now I gotta switch sides, cause y'all. Yeah. Y'all ready to see it first? Yo, can we? I'm so excited. It's so cute. I don't know what people talking about. Yes, these are two different oranges. We'll get into that later. I love it. Take it out. You're gonna take this to the side. Oh, regular charger. And the instruction paper. I'm sure y'all watched as many videos as I have. Oh, this is a braided cable. Y'all know I didn't have a braided cable. The only thing I did have, this phone still has, is the eSIM. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all which phone I had. I had the Orange 17 Pro Max, the Cosmic Orange, 512 gigs, y'all. I have 256. I'm deleting something new every day. Sorry, y'all. I'm DJing, like playing the Christmas music. But we're gonna open this, but first I got some stuff I need to open. Okay, so I ordered some stuff on Amazon. Amazon's playing my orders. I'm not gonna talk about it, and I'm not gonna rip this open. So the first thing, I'm excited about this too. It's just a clear case. I wanted the orange to be seen. No, it doesn't have the camera, but we're gonna cover that. But yes, it's so cute. Oh, it comes with a screen protector. We're not using that though. This is Tandem. This is not sponsored. And we got the Mothka. It's an M. The Mothka screen protectors. They're matte privacy. Do I look like I feel like working this hard? That's not what it do. So you got the cleaning stuff, of course. You get 2 camera protectors. The thing, so you can line it up perfectly. And then, well, not perfectly, but you know. Is this the wrong thing? And then you get 2 of these. I'm only gonna take one out. Let me see. Oh, this is not what I ordered. They so... I know this ain't what I ordered. It was supposed to be transparent. I got privacy. Oh my gosh. On there, cause my aunt talk about something. Yeah. Oh, it's mad. It's gonna be mad. We're gonna see. Anyways, we're gonna use this. It's the matte one. Y'all see what day it is. Look at my screen protector. What? Oh, yeah, no. Sorry, I told y'all I was DJing as well. Anyways, Matt, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take out one of, because I know it's gonna be easier. Had a very shiny nose. And I'm gonna put it, where's that packet? I'm tripping hard, okay? Let's see. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's real thin, but it's glass. Yeah, let's get into it. I'll just make sure the lens is protected. I'm not gonna take it all the way out. I'm just gonna use like a little tip and just clean it real good. And make sure when I grabbed it, I didn't put too many on there. Dang, I took it out anyway. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, I got it on there. Is that bubbles under it? What? Like, you can see them. Yeah, there go 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. This is clean as it'll ever be, but I'm about to still wipe it and do that and put the thing on. But I can't do that with y'all, so. I got it on there, no bubbles. Now we're gonna put the phone case on. Actually, I'm gonna clean my area first because it's starting to stress me out. We're working with a small spot here. I'm not complaining because this is where I chose to sit. Clear case. We'll fit on there good. Hello, you called me. Man, what you mean? Oh my gosh. Is it bigger? It's definitely bigger. Just not by too much. I could have done a side by side, but I'm sure somebody has. Y'all, coming from, my case is brown, but my phone is purple. Y'all, it's so different. If you know, you know. This is a button. This is still the switch up, volume up, down. That bottom's kind of the same, but you know, I have the original Apple charger. This is the C, USB-C. Still power button, and this one has the camera. This doesn't. Let's turn her on. Oh my gosh, I'm too excited. I'm gonna give her time to think her life, think about life, and get ready to work for me for the next few years. I might change this. It has bubbles in it and it irks my nerves. Oh, we're about to do this. Yeah. Okay, so we about to set up Face ID. Don't use without a mask. Oh, it's set up that quick. Oh my gosh. An hour and 45 minutes to transfer everything over. I don't have a choice. Oh my gosh. An hour and 45 flipping minutes is the estimated time. When I tell y'all I used all 256 of them gigabytes, every last one, like, it's like the past few weeks, I'm saying, who left their juice? Past few weeks, I have been like deleting stuff to add. So like most of my apps are offloaded just so I can update the phone, whatever update Apple just had. But right now it's doing that. We're gonna let it do that. I don't know why my camera, I wonder, It is so cute. Oh my gosh, no. I wonder. Ooh, when you lean it, you can tell it's awesome. Make this. Here's everything set up. I'm setting up all of the stuff. I should have been showing y'all. Let me go. Okay. Let's see. Let's customize. Y'all, silent mode, do not disturb, camera, visual intelligence, flashlight, voicemail, Shazam, translate, magnify, shortcut, accessibility, and then no action. What we're gonna do, we're gonna leave that silence because like flashlight, that's gonna be in my notification center. Shazam is as well. Voice memo is, I don't use that. I don't know what it is yet. Camera button, it's like over here on this side, so why would I need that? But I think I'm gonna do, I don't even do D&D. We're gonna do silent mode. Leave it the same. Oh, it's loading. Y'all see my patience? Continue. Double tap bottom edge of your screen. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. I didn't know I was supposed to be doing it that way. Y'all know the first time it was like, oh. My Siri right now is a man, and I love that. Oh my gosh, let's see what the estimated time is. Dang, it's still estimating. I use all 256 gigs. Like, new phone, old phone. Like, oh, it's dark. Wow. Oh. Originally, it was saying it was going to take like 8, 9, 10 hours. It kept switching back and forth. But I had to go somewhere, so I stopped it. And I was trying to start it back, and it took forever to start back. But when it started back, it only took like 2 hours.
Sister will. Hey! She said, Twilight, what? You're a damn trip. Come on down. Go on down. Watch it, boy. And I heard about that.
She just coming from the club. Y'all vlogger is just coming from the club. She didn't tell y'all about that bitch.
I almost turned the car back on.
Big G to you,
This is true bluesy.
Wait, it's blurry, y'all.
I don't know what's wrong.
There she go. That's y'all vlogger right there, just coming from the club. She out acting like she grown. We hacking her vlog.
It's ready? Happy birthday. I know you ain't here to see it, but your day is coming. And sit your ass down, cause we gonna enjoy it, but you don't overdo it. I love you.
Alexa, stop. Who is Frankie Boyle? You got iHeartRadio. Alexa, home screen. That's all you do is sleep.